lovely friends, do you know learning maths through cooking is fun? Today I'm going to make chocolate chip cookies. Look at the ingredients. Preheat your oven to 180 degrees Celsius. Add 1/3 of coconut flour in a bowl. Then add 1/4 cup of coconut sugar. Time to put 1/4 cup of coconut oil. Mix it well. Add 1 teaspoon of vanilla extract. Give it a good mix. Now add 1/4 teaspoon of salt. Mix it again. Time to add 2 eggs. Mix it again. Add 1/3 cup of chocolate chips. Now mix everything really well. Drop about 1 tablespoon of dough on baking sheet to make cookie. Make sure to flatten the cookie. Yippee! Time to put cookies in the oven. Bake the cookies for 10 minutes. Yum! Cookies are ready. Time to taste. Hope you liked the video. See you next time. Bye bye.